Okay, hello from Excel Wizard. Today is Advent of Code 2016, day 14, one-time pad using Python in Excel. So now that I got Python, I get a chance to try. So let's see the puzzle. Today is we're gonna have to use MD5 again. So MD5, I done it before on day 5 this year and someday on last year. And okay, before go to MD5, let me show you this one. So I have the share folder with md5.xlxb here. So and this is the file. So the MD5 calculation is like this one. So it's taking a lot of calculation, like, and we have bit and some very complex here, and when we have to run until some point with some 64 constraint and another 64 constraint. Then we got final here with from ABCD, and then we flip something. So I'm using that one to create a lambda function which is this long and name it to MD5H here. So this one calculate 1000 MD5 in 1.7 seconds. And there are also VBA method here, which is using class from create everything from scratch. So they have so many class here, and then another one is using library inside .NET framework. So okay, and it's run 1000 with that UDF is a lot faster. And then I check the time here. So with lambda function 1 million, I need 28 minutes. And then with UDF on formula here, on formula based UDF, 3 minutes here. And it's go faster when I loop inside VBA. So 1 minute and 30 seconds. But Python is a lot faster here. So less than 1 second, around 0.58 seconds. So this is why I have to use Python, because the wait time is too much for VBA. Okay, then I'll just go with the Python in Excel. But let's see, read this one first. So we have to search for MD5. And if the hash contain 3 of the same character in a row, like this one, 77, only consider the first one on the triple hash. And then we find next 1000 hash in the stream contain the same character 5 times in a row, like this one, 77. So for example, here we use ABC and then add number 18 to get hash of this one. So okay, let's try. To use Python here, just equal py tab here, or I can use a shortcut Control Alt Shift MP here. So from this, I know I already done, so I have to import hashlib here. So import hashlib, which is just checking. Okay, non-type is good. If it's error, it's gonna show something not good here. And then from here, okay, the function is like md5 hashlib.md5 and then the string here, and then I need to encode the string and then end with hex digest, which if I do it here, I'm just beginner on Python here, and it doesn't show any IntelliSense, so it's quite hard to do this one. So I'll just try here. So h equal to hash lib dot md5, and then abc, the sample was 18, and I need to encode, so encode. So typing this one, you have to like know exactly what to do here. So I got hash lib here, and then hex. Very hard to do. So better do it in like Python IDE, which is easier. We have IntelliSense, so just try with this one. Okay, I'll just start with this, and then later I can just copy the code inside from this one to Excel later. So this is hash, yeah, okay, hash lib here, and I want hash lib. Yeah, this is like helper here, IntelliSense, so it's easier. And then dot, I need MD5. And then the string is like ABC. And then I need number 18, just as the same as the sample, right? 18 in string. So 18 here. And with this, I need to change encode this one. So I put more bracket and then encode. So I can just tap here. And this is hash lib. So I assign it to H. Then here we have to print H to see the value. And then, okay, this one have to be current. Okay, this one. So this show as hash object here. So need hash digest to get the hash here. So like this. So this is the value we got. So this is 888 here. And from this, we have to run another from 19 to 1018 and find if it contain any 888. And if I do that, next turn I go to 19 and I run 20 to 1019 again, and that is like quite duplicate. So I like to run it one time and then just check it. But before that, I have to check for the hash first. Okay, so when I got this, I just copy this and go back to Excel. Where's my Excel? Sure. Hey, where is my Excel? Is gone. I don't know. Just close it? No. Where is my Excel? I don't know. I just close. Open again. Not sure where is it. Okay, here. So control shift out M P, oh, out P, and then this is the code. But here I don't need print, just return the H here. So I got this hash. Then to find how many number here in Excel, I will just do like this. So I will create the A, B, C, D, and then 0 to 9 here with sequence of 36. No. Start with 0, got like this, and then base of 36, chain 10 to A, and then 36 to C here. And so this is my B here. And I'm gonna find, not find, because case insensitive, I have to use search for repeat of B for 3 times into this. And I got value here. But if I have like one more duplicate, okay, I'll just copy value here. And if I have like 333 here, and if I search for this one, 3 become first, so I need minimum number here, so 13, which I can use x lookup for 0 and then return b, look for next cluster, so it should return the first one, which is 8. And this is how I do in Excel. And if I use this method in Python here, I have to do the loop, which is take some time, but the better method is use regex. So I can import re here, and then re have method of this one, find all, and then I can put the regex pattern for search same string, which is I also new for regex. So just like go to my helper site, which is regex, wait, new tab, regex1, and I have sample here, so just copy this one. And this one we need to find, so we need group here to find the same number, so I just group of this one, so any text or string, I don't care, and then put it as a group, so just /1 here. So now we capture the group of 2 consecutive here, and if we want 3 consecutive, we have to put some like length here, so with 2. Now we can capture 2 things here, so which is 8 and 3, but we want 8, so in Python we just also capture 2, so we want the first one only, so just keep that in mind. And this is the regex pattern, and there are in the explanation here on. Okay, so go back here, regex pattern here, we require to put an r here and then text like this, and we find on, I think we find on h, right? And then this one I'll just take as a b here and then print b out. So I got 8 in list return. So okay, I just try in Python here. So okay, just copy and print b, and not good, something not bad. Oh, hashlib, import hashlib here. Okay, try again. So non-type, because I have to return b only. And this is a list of 1 value. If I want first value, just use index with 0, and I got this. Okay, then just because this, now I know. So now I want to collect only the hash number that contain 3 here. So if I change this to 19 and then print the b here, I got empty list here. And the way to check if it's empty list, I can use not b here. So if it's true, then that means it's empty, and then I use not again, just show false. So this one, that means this one is false, and I don't want that one. Okay, I'll just go back into that cell here. Okay, now it's become list of empty here. Now I want to run the loop. So for thing are just n in range of a lot number. So the sample here show us we can find the number with this 22,000 here. So I just go a little bit beyond 30,000, and this, and then next one I need hashlib tab more. Oh, I can tap only 1 line, and then this one become I, but I need to change it to string. So str here, and now I can run this. Okay, I'll just run for 300 first, and then I have to check if B has some value. So if not B, as I did, then return. But I just learned one liner, so I put return first. So I want the information from N, and then B, right? H, which is hash, and then B, which is that one, and then I need to assign to something. Okay, so this one, I think I better attach that. So list L, okay, L equal to blank list, and then I append. So dot append this one, and that B, I only need first one, so B is this. Then if not B, else just give me blank. Then show me out here, which is wrong. Something is not good. See, it's quite hard to debug here. Find all app, which line? 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is wrong. If not B. Not sure. Okay, I'll just go back to that PyCharm. Yes. Okay, just copy. Then L dot append list. Oh, okay, I'm missing one bracket here. And then print out. No? Okay, that's still wrong. Oh, this is N, not I. Again? Okay, looks good. Okay, I'll copy it back to here. N. Okay, show me out. Yeah, I got the list and this list here. Good. Now I can change mode to value here or out shift control M. Got this. Then I need to run for 30,000 like this. No. Control enter. Now from here, if I'm doing in Excel, so I want to find, so if this have 8, right? I want to find from, so okay, I'm let I is the number, which is this one, and then the B is the letter that have triple, which is this one. Then I want to check if all this, the number have to be more than I. And okay, need another. Oh, this one, it should be N here. So this is N. And then N have to be more than I. And next 1,000. So N have to be less than I plus. Next 1,000 is 1,018. So now I have to make this one 1,019. So I have to add 1,001, which is equal to 1,019. I also need 19, so add 2 here. And then on this, I have to able to search this one. No. Repeat of B for 5 times on this one. So I got like this value, and then I can, in Excel, I just can use count. No, COUNT, count like this. So this is 0, and if you copy down here, and there will be some number. Is it multiplied by search? No, this should not be. Okay, I cannot use count because this also show number, right? Only search will return not number. Okay, so cannot use count, and this one also. Okay, and this number here, so is number on this, and not count, I need sum. Okay, sum better. Okay, now the number here, that means we can find E on the next 1000, which is on the tag number 39. Same as sample here, so 39 here, we can find that number. If just don't care which number, so able to find. And then we have to do this for 64 times. So I can use filter on this by the one that available here. So this is all possible. And then 64, so I can use index this one by 64. And this is the answer. Same as the sample here. So 2828 here. But in Python, the filter is not quite straightforward as this. So just try. Now I got the L. I have to first I have to check if like this. So if n more than L, or n more than I, or n less than I plus 1002, and then if repeat 5 times occur in that range. Okay, so this is how I gonna do filter. There are like function for filter, which is filter here, just like filter, and with filter we need lambda on. I need to think. Okay, I can filter on x here, and then x mean I will refer x to that list which is have 3 value here. So now I have to check if that first x first on the list is, which is n here, is less than some number. Okay, I just put where, okay, this is I equal to 39, and then think b equal, okay, b already used, j, okay, j is quite, not quite, okay, b is 39, b is e here, okay, b is e. So here I check this one less than I, and I is less than, no, x0 is less than I plus 1002. So this is the first one. But in Python, I can just flip this. So I can go like I is like this. And then I can get rid of n. So I can just use like this. Is it? No, not flip like this, I think. Maybe. Okay. And that search is this one. Search and its number is easier with Python. So I can use j multiplied by 5 will return e for 5 times, and then just put in x on second column, which is 1 here. And this is the lambda. And I can just go with L here. So this is the, okay, and then I'll just show some name, C. C equal this, and then print C. Run. Object here. So I need to change this one to list. So list here. And enter. Got empty string. Not sure why. Is it correct? I plus 2 in x1 L. Print C. I'm not sure. Oh, this is not come natural here. C 39. I is 39. I plus 1. And then x0. The debugging here is not easy. This? I'm not sure. It's 39. Oh, I think I'm gonna fail this one. Oh, I think I'm have to go back to practice first. Not sure. Oh, that I cannot go. Okay, let me try. Print L here. So L, I got this. Oh, this one is not enough. Okay. Okay, better. So this is C, and then I got 816. Oh, good. So this is how I do the filter. And then I have to change I and J to some other number. So I can change this one to lambda. Oh, no, to function, which is def here. And the function is called check, chk on I and J. And then this one will return the list here. And I only want, okay, first one only list. Then this is the function to, no, no need this. What's wrong with this? Okay, I just try with chk on 39 and E here. Let's see. Yep, good. Then I need another filter. So this is first part of filter. Now I need second filter here. So second filter I can do instantly. So filter here on lambda MBDA on X again. No, X again. And then now I'm gonna call that function checks, which first value I is x0, and then the second value is this one. That means x on second, yeah, 0, 1, 2, yeah, on the third is here. So this is my check. And this check we will return the list. I think it's not gonna work now. Not sure. Lambda. Not gonna work. So this return the list. And then I need to change that list to like check if it's empty. So not here. And okay, assign some F is the then print E, print F here. Not really sure. Okay. Change this one to this. Okay. Now I got this list, and then I need 64. No, start from 0 is 63. Good. I got this number, which is the same here. Okay, seems like my function work now. So run on Python, I need to change the input, which is salt here, to this one. So I'm running on Python first, then ABC, I change to this, and run here. So I got this number, and I'll just answer with this. Submit. Yes, one goes. And I also can just copy the code from here, which I don't need that print. Okay, just copy all this into Python. So Control Shift Alt P, and then copy that code like this, and Control Enter. Show BC, and now it show list. And okay, first one, same number here. So what we can run inside IDE, we also can run inside this Python. Okay, I thought I'm not gonna make it. Now part two, we need to this one. So we have to run the hash for the same hash for another 2016 times. So this is their sample. I think I'll just, okay, this is the hash here. I'll better test in new one. So new. Okay, I can test it inside this. Okay, this one. Okay. From chip P, import hash lib. Okay, just end with this. No, not okay. I need this import hash lib, lib lib, and then this one hash is hash digest, and then I go back to start from ABC, and then we start with index 0, and then we run for another 2016 time. So this one will be 0 here. Okay, I'll just run this one. I got this. So this is the first time I have that 55577 here. No. Index 0. This is right. HMD in the end. Oh, here, not here. This one, 555 here. And then I have to run for another 216 times. So for J in range 3000. No, 216. Then return this one. H equal to this, but I change this one to H. Try. BC. No, it's wrong. Gain. Hash digest. In range. Not sure, something wrong here. Okay, I'll just go back in Okay, I use normal for, okay, h equal to this, as like this. Again, non-type. Okay, this one is right. Then h is this one. So this is A107, A107 here. So this one, if we run that 300,000 times, we have to run like this much. So 60 million times. Okay, and then I can just like add that here. So for j equal in range of 216, then h equal to this lib, but this one just change to h, right? I think I can run one liner. Just try again here. Something not right. 4. How can I use this one? 4 lib. Seem like this one not work. 4, not sure. Okay, let's go back to liner. Okay, so this one should be right, and I just have to run this. And with this, it have to take long time. For now, trying to figure out how to use that for loop in one line. So okay, Python for loop one line. Return. Not sure. Where's it? Yeah, for like this. Now S. Append. We can use append. We cannot use that. Okay, I'll just try later. Now I got the answer. So this is the next answer here. She's good to go star. But if I run that long inside inside Excel in Python, it's not gonna work. So let's try. Try here. And then I just overwrite this one. Control Enter. So now try to, okay, as I'm already got this, I just test on new file, new Python file, test 2. Not sure how that one work. Okay, import hash lib, then h equal to this, and then okay, end with print h. No. Okay, go back to Excel. Now it's time out. So seem like anything that longer than 30 seconds is will get time out. So I can just remove this one. Then try with larger number. 3 times here. 100 times here, I think. Try. And while we waiting, try to figure out this one. No. Oh no, I have to run on this test2 current file here. Oh, n is not defined. Okay, just one here. So I can run like this, but cannot go like this. Actually, not sure how. Equal plus. Just guessing. Okay, I'll just pick out later, but for now, just another very struggle one with Python. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.